So I want to take a minute to introduce you to Liquid Compass. I mentioned it either in Canvas or in the Handshake tutorial. You can access it once you're in Handshake here. If you click on Resources, you're going to hear, or you're going to see actually, Liquid Compass down here at as one of the options. So if you go ahead and click on that, there's some information here. What's really great about Liquid Compass is it's an additional resource that it's a job search board that gives students the opportunity to search for nursing and healthcare jobs all in one place. So it might be a little bit more helpful to you than maybe even Handshake would be to finding opportunities. So we'll go ahead and click on Liquid Compass. That link will take us over to the home page here. So on the home page here, there's some options, again, filtering options where you can put some information in terms of what types of jobs you might be looking for. You can put in some location information. I usually will recommend to students, if you're going to utilize this particular resource for finding opportunities, it's probably not a bad idea to create an account here. So when you create an account, it allows you to kind of save things, save some, opportunities for jobs that you might be looking at and want to come back to. So there's some really good information here on the side in terms of things that you can look at for new opportunities. There's something called hiring sheets. The hiring sheets allow you to look for new grad exact, eligible, those sorts of things, looking for nursing. I'm just going to put in Milwaukee as an example here. We'll go ahead and search. Okay, and so what you can see here is we've got some of these on these hiring sheets updated information regarding the type of opportunities that are available. So you can see the list of postings here. It is looking or searching within 50 miles of Milwaukee for right now. You can certainly change that, or you can narrow it down or expand it depending on what your location availability is. And so you can kind of see those opportunities. You can go in and you can take a look at, the different positions that might be of interest to you. So we had identified new grad eligible and nursing. So I'm just going to take a look at this med-surg RN position. So you can see it'll give you the description, give you some information about what's out there. You certainly are able to apply for positions. Those sorts of things are opportunities that you can, certainly apply for. So you certainly have a really great opportunity to find opportunities that are here posted in this particular system. So I definitely recommend taking a look at Liquid Compass. And like I said, it might not hurt to create an account. So you have the opportunity to sign in or create an account. And then as you see, you've got some options here to save jobs. Those are things that you can always come back to. So hopefully you'll find some value in Liquid Compass. Take a look at it.